How to add a live animated wallpaper on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you the way on how you can actually add a live animated wallpaper on Windows 11 rather than a default stock wallpapers. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So if you are bored of your default stock Windows 11 wallpapers, you want something new, you want something moving over your screen, you want a live animated wallpaper, then first of all we can do this by simply opening up our Microsoft Store. Once you open up your Microsoft Store, you can see all these various type of apps. We simply need to click on the search box at the very top and then simply type and search for Lively Wallpaper. So you can see this application right over here, which is the Lively Wallpaper app. This is the exact application which you don't want to download. Go ahead and look at this icons and also look at the developer called Rocksdanister. So I will do and click on the install button over here, and we will wait until this installation process is actually complete. So as you can see, the Lively Wallpaper app has been downloaded. After downloading and installing it, simply open it up. Now when we open the Lively Wallpaper app right over here, so let me just go ahead and open it up again. So now you can see the Lively Wallpaper app has been opened up. By default, you already have a bunch of available ones which you want to use. For example, if I select any of these random ones over here, what I will do is I will simply click on the three dots next to it, and what I will do is I will select set as wallpaper. Once I set this as wallpaper, and then if I come back to show you over here, just like that, you can see the Lively Wallpaper has actually been added, and this is one of those animated wallpaper. If you want a custom wallpaper as well, what you could do is instead on the top right, you can see add wallpaper. So click on add wallpaper. Now you can actually choose a video from your own computer if you want to, or you can enter the URL of a YouTube video link. So just go ahead and then you paste the link of the video which you want to set as a wallpaper. On YouTube as well, you have beautiful live wallpapers, and once you do that, it may take some time to process and you will be able to add those links as well. But by default as well, you already have a bunch of available ones which might not actually bore you, which is really interesting. So go ahead and then set this as wallpaper, and then you can see right over here our wallpaper has been added. And this is how you can add a live animated wallpaper on Windows 11. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.